Hey, welcome back to my channel. SOUNDFAM Digital Optical Audio Cable 10 feet widespread compatibility. Use SOUNDFAM's high-quality digital optical audio cable to connect your Blu-ray CD player, satellite DVR, home theater, HD TV, Xbox or other Toslink port-enabled devices to your digital audio receiver, such as speakers, subwoofers, soundbars, etc. SOUNDFAM focus on the ideal design of all our quality cables. For all standard and HD devices with Toslink ports, perfect sound quality home theater Toslink fiber optic cables. Soft and flexible cotton braided sheath protects the fiber optic core. Fiber optic cables use light to transmit signals and are immune to EMI RFI interference. Professional cable works with multi-channel surround sound, uncompressed PCM audio and compressed 5.1 to 7.1 surround sound systems including Dolby Digital Plus, DTS HD High Resolution and LPCM .24K gold-plated connectors. Gold-plated metal connectors provide unparalleled durability and longer service life for repeated insertion and removal. Compared with other fiber optic cables, it better protects fiber optic connectors from corrosion and oxidation. Ultra-durable alloy housing protects the plug to withstand the rigors of constant insertion and removal. Polished aluminum alloy shell surface is smooth, not rough, stylish and beautiful, colorful life. SOUNDFAM fiber optic audio cable makes your life more colorful. High quality, pure audio lets you immerse yourself in your favorite music, movies, and games. Premium fiber optic core, tear-resistant PVC and cotton double jacket, 24K corrosion-resistant gold-plated connectors make it easy to lay and install and function excellently in all situations. Warm tips: please remove the rubber protective cap before use. Optical audio cable? SOUNDFAM digital optical audio cable can connect from Blu-ray DVD or CD player, HD TV, and other devices with Toslink port to your AC receiver, preamplifier, audio system, home theater, soundbars, etc. Optical signal transmission, immersive listening experience. Wide compatibility. Compatible with standard and high-definition devices with Toslink ports. Perfect for uncompressed PCM audio, compressed 5.1 to 7.1 surround sound systems including Dolby Digital Plus, DTS HD High Resolution, and LPCM. Incredible durability? SOUNDFAM optical audio cable consists of a durable PVC outer layer and a black cotton braided jacket. Extra thicker gold-plated layer enable this digital optical audio cable fits standard Toslink port snugly. Fiber optic cables can prevent electromagnetic and radio frequency interference, providing you with higher sound accuracy and more detailed and natural sound. Friendly design? The thoughtful rubber cap and cable tie can help you store this fiber optic cable more easily. No dust accumulation. Better connector protection. SOUNDFAM? Confident in the quality of this audio optical cable. All SOUNDFAM products support 12 monthly warranty, 30 days free return and exchange. Lifetime friendly customer support. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.